Using the same set of matrices, let's verify whether the calculator exercise we did will give us the same answer when we do it in Microsoft Excel. So our objective here is to compute the determinant of A and then multiply that by the determinant of B, and then compare that one if we perform first multiplication of A and B before computing the determinant of their product. Okay, so using the same set of matrices in Microsoft Excel environment, let's compute determinant of A times determinant of B. Okay, in cell C8, let's input the formula mdeterm, then let's call matrix A, and then multiply the result of that by mdeterm of matrix B. So the answer is 5976, and the other operation is determinant of A times B. Okay, then in cell C10, let's input the formula mdeterm m multiply. So do not forget to use the mmult function of Microsoft Excel to properly compute the matrix product of two square matrices. Okay, and then open parenthesis matrix A comma matrix B, then another close parenthesis, then press enter. So the answer is the same. It means that if we compute the product of the two matrices first, then compute the determinant, it will give the same answer if we compute first individually the determinant of the two matrices. Kumbaga, unahin muna natin compute yung determinant ng A, tapos i-multiply natin sa determinant ng B. It will give you the same answer when you perform first product or multiplication of two matrices before computing for their determinant.